Mm. Okay.
Oh yeah, PLCE. Yeah. Baba could go up a little bit further.
Yeah. Oh, Meta could drop too. Meta's already going, but let me see. META. Is that an outside day? Yeah, that looks great. Ooh, that actually looks really nice. Outside day right now on Meta. So that's good. There we go. Come on, Apple. Let's see if you can crack the low here.
Are you in Apple short?
I am, yeah.
Oh, good.
Hasn't triggered my next add to it though. I will add if it goes underneath this. There we go.
And then also what TS?
Yeah, TS.
There we go. Come on, Apple. I'd like to see Apple down to
225.
227 at least for starters. That 200 moving average, but yeah, 225 would be great. I don't know. We'll get there. But it would be nice. It would be nice. Come on, Apple. All the way down. There you go. There we go. Come on, Apple. Taking a partial here because last time I traded Apple yesterday, I was in the green and I had to basically give back my wins because it was so choppy.
Mm-hmm.
Right after I got in, it went down really good and then it turned back around. I was like, oh, okay. But maybe this day
for 200.
That'd be awesome. Yeah, I took a partial right there. So it it fails so well. Yeah, let's see if we can get through the 200. That'll be a true sign right here if it has followed through. Looks like it. Looks like let's see. Come on, guys. Apple bounce to 200, of course. What annoying. Well, that's what you get for trading inside a range of yesterday, you know?
Hmm. SMAR trigger me in for long.
SMAR. Okay. Let me take a look at that one. SMAR.
Visa could be a long.
Yeah, I actually just got out of my short on Visa. So, yeah, it could have been a little scalp to the outside. Possibly.
Hey, watch out, Nvidia.
Okay.
I might take this. CLF.
What are you thinking?
Also, what TSM for back?
Mm-hmm. I think Visa can go a little lower.
Which one?
Visa?
Oh, Visa. Okay.
V. Just the V, I guess. Seems like it could go a little lower. We'll see.
I have to be very careful today.
Well, I understand. So you should definitely be very careful all days.
No, because of my mental.
Oh, you're what? You're mental?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Because
okay.
I'm selling my house and I'm putting on purchase offer. So
Oh, nice.
my mental state. Oh, you guys are CLF.
Yeah, CLF. I
Oh,
put it.
beautiful. Look at the day chart.
Yeah, I put it in order to see if it's gonna trigger me in or not.
Okay, good.
Oh, okay, I'll take a look. CLF. CLF. Oh, wow. Yeah.
There we go, just triggers me in.
Oh, good. I go with you.
Same with the AES.
AES.
Yeah.
Okay.
And Nvidia look like coming down.
Yeah. Yeah. You never know, right?
Yeah.
Definitely could be a bounce here, though. We'll see.
TS looks like it's failing.
TSM.
Oh, AES failing also.
I think Visa looks good. V. Trigger to level 1. Go a little lower, that'd be nice. Come on, Visa. There we go. Crack the lows. There we go. Nice. All right. Visa. Turned out to be a good one. Let's see here. Hopefully we can break the low here.
Did you get in CLF with us, Jason?
I didn't know. I was doing some another trade here.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was doing Visa. I think CLF looks great. I think it could get go higher. I could get in now actually. It's a little late, but I'll jump in with you guys now.
Look at the day chart. The day chart's beautiful.
Yeah, it looks good. Looks like it could work. Oh, okay, Visa, come on, baby. Yeah, CLF looks pretty good. A little extended on the 2 minute, but if you're okay with having a little pullback, that's fine.
Oh, Visa.
I like the big red candle on CLF.
Yeah.
Visa triggers me in.
Yeah. I think we're gonna probably keep going, maybe down to 273 maybe today.
Oh, look at Irene, IREN.
There we go. Get ready for maybe some more follow through on Meta. I don't know. We'll see. I'm getting kind of low there. So that's fine. Okay. All right. Come on, Visa. Keep going. That's still got some ways to go.
SO could be a good short. SO.
Okay, let me take a look. SO.
It's in the range, so probably just scalp.
The volume looks pretty strange on it though, right? Kind of low volume maybe. Looks like it gaps intraday too.
No, SO is.
Really? I'm looking at maybe not. Come on, Visa.
No, I accidentally stumbled on ALMR.
ALMR.
Is it ALMR?
ALMR.
Does it work? Do you see anything? Am I looking at the wrong stock? I'm not sure. Oh no, it's not. It's not. It's not. It's not a ticker. My bad. My bad. It showed me the wrong stock. Okay, SO is working.
Yeah.
Alright.
There we go. There goes Visa. Come on, baby.
Yeah.
Apple looks good too for more downside underneath this pivot. It triggers. What is currently? It's like Apple's getting weaker. Hopefully it cracks underneath this 200.
Okay, PLPO is working.
Looks like Visa wants to go up from here a little bit. Breakdown failure or something like that, you know? We'll see. I like this MNSO. I like that having an outside day underneath the doji bar. If it cracks underneath the low of day, I think it could keep going. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna get out of Visa here on this 2 minute, and I'll revisit it if it gets underneath there. I think it could be nice. It goes, but come on, MNSO. Come on. It triggered a level 1. It's kind of choppy, but
Oh, dang it. Look at the one that we missed, Affirm.
okay, let me see. AFRM. Oh, yeah. Gosh.
Another,
MU looks great for short.
another
MU.
one that looks good is CELH.
Okay. Well, I'm going to get this MU here. It's pretty good.
MU.
Cracking the 200. Now making a pivot underneath the 200 period moving average. There we go. Hopefully it doesn't double bottom. Keeps going. Apple looks good. Cracking the 200. You could. Looks like it. Okay, I jumped in level 1 on Apple. Oh, come on, Apple. Come on, go with MU. Go with MU, Apple. Come on.
I don't know if Visa is trading a range or not.
Looks like it's kind of done. We'll see. Come on, Apple. There we go. There we go. Crack it. There we go. We cracked the 200 now. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, Apple.
Oh, wow.
That's what I'm talking about. Look at MU. Yes. Yes. Yes, there we go. MU. Come on, baby.
Yeah, Nvidia is dropping. Apple, MU, TSM.
Yeah. Looks great. Here comes MNSO, I think, to the low. Come on, buddy. A little lower. I'll revisit Visa up at the, 20 period moving average. I think we're going to get a nice little short there. We'll see what it does,
Yeah. CLF looking better.
Yeah. Oh, Apple's good. Gorgeous. Come on. Just all you have to do, Apple, is just keep going a little lower today. I love that. I love that it broke underneath it. It's got every single moving average now in alignment with it for me. But will it keep going? I don't know. That's the true test right here. Meta looks good. Okay, great. A little lower. I think we're going down until 10:30. So hopefully by 10:30 we'll get a little reversal maybe. Wow. AFRM.
I know, right?
Yeah. Come on, baby. Come on, Meta. There you go. Time to scare everybody. There we go. Gonna take a partial here on Apple. Finally got some moves, right?
Yep. Beautiful 1, 2, 3 on 15.
Yeah. Yeah, totally. Same with MU. Really nice. I don't know if that was the same thing. Who knows? That was nice.
I added to that COF link.
Beautiful CLF, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, CLF, great trade.
Check out the TSM. It's moved a lot better than the MU.
Which one? TSM?
Yeah. Move a lot better than, and well, Nvidia dropped a lot too. But yeah.
It's moving a lot better. I don't know. I mean, I feel like it would have been a hard short to do because you've been shorting against the above the moving averages where I think MU, at least it's with the trend. You know?
Yeah.
At least you get lucky on it because you get that nice big spike. I think, you would definitely make more money on the TSM shorting it because of the amount it went.
Yeah.
But I don't know if, I don't know if, you're going to get as much follow through as you do on MU. Maybe not. We'll see. Getting into that 10 o'clock reversal time here, so let's see what happens. Looks pretty good. MNSO is going down to the low. We're almost breaking new low, so we'll see if we get follow through here. Oh, Visa, that might just been a retest.
Yeah.
Of the breakout point.
Did you add on CLF, PA?
I added on CLF, yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
Wow. Nice. Yeah, looks good. Looks like it's going to go higher.
We should just outbreak that affirm, huh?
Yeah. Oh, there we go. There goes the MNSO. All right, finally. Working. Oh, nice drop. MNSO. Taking a partial there. That was a gift. That big, do you see that big flush?
MNSO.
Yeah, I've been talking about it the whole time.
Oh,
Because I said the daily looks so good. We're gapping underneath the doji bar.
yeah.
I was like, oh man. Oh, that's so nice.
I'm watching the airline for long here.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see. How much farther can we go on MNSO? It's pretty extended now. So I think that big red bar was a good spike, good place to take a partial. And then I think as long as it doesn't get back over this red bar, I'll try to stay with it. Apple looks good. Still going down. This was not too bad, not too shabby.
Spice going up.
Yeah. SPY is going up? Oh, I see the little bounce. Yeah.
Yeah, a little bounce.
Let's see how far MNSO can go, though. I have this on my watch list because yesterday, right? If you ever get a bar that gaps on the daily, oh, LNW looks good. I don't know what that is, but it looks pretty good for a short. LNW.
Well, your apple looks good.
Yeah, it's going pretty good right now. I like this LNW too.
Yeah, it looks pretty good, yeah.
But yeah, I mean, if you ever get a day that ends like the way MNSO did yesterday,
Yeah.
always look for the next day to have some sort of follow through, because as long as, only follow through if it breaks the previous bar's low. But basically what you're doing is you're just playing a level one off the daily chart from a yesterday gap that didn't go anywhere, and then today will finally have its flush, you know?
Yeah.
Either it could go to the upside too, but you just wait for it to break whatever side. And so it broke right away. And then I was like, oh, okay, great. So now I know my bias. Oh, and LNW is working pretty good now. I got into that, and that's going.
It's really looking
Hey, I be back and take the baby out. Okay?
Okay. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, V looks good. You're thinking about shorting V?
Yeah.
Yeah, looks good. Let's see what happens here. I think Apple's done. I think we need to wait for it to do a little pullback to the 20.
Yeah.
Maybe. We'll see.
Oh, check out the penny stock. BNZI.
What is it?
ZI.
Oh, PNZI. Okay.
B. Bob.
Oh, B. Okay. BNZI. BNZI. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah.
I think it's halted, right?
Yeah, it looks crazy. Jeez, that's insane. Wow. That's amazing. I like this LNW. Hopefully it can crack below here. Okay, maybe V will keep going.
Yeah, let's see what
Got a
this.
level 1 right here. So I guess we'll see. Underneath this level 1 could be a short. Yeah. Hasn't triggered yet though. MSO looks good. I think we're gonna keep going a little bit lower. There we go. Come on. There we go. Come on, MSO. GME could be a short. Yeah, kind of looks like it. I think it's going down. There we go. Breaking the pivot. Lower lows, lower highs. Apple looks good for a little lower. There we go. There goes GME. There we go. Nice. Nice drop on GME. Okay. You can get a little farther into the range of yesterday. All right. Well, Visa hasn't triggered us in yet, so.
Not yet.
But I think right around here it could be a double top into that prior wick,
Hmm.
and then we get a nice little flush. I'm gonna get out of MNSO now. Well, reducing my shares.
Maybe. Yeah. Could be.
It looks like, yeah, it looks kind of like it's a little extended.
Yeah.
So yeah, probably needs a little pullback here. And also the average true range has already kind of been put in now. So I'm thinking probably I'm gonna chill out now.
I'm adding to this SMAR.
SMAR, okay, nice. That one, SMAR.
I don't know how far I can go, but hopefully go.
Yeah. Oh, GME, great. Look at this drop. I think it's going back to yesterday's low. Sometimes these inside days are pretty good because this wasn't really an inside day. This started as an outside day and then collapsed inward. So I kind of like that, you know?
Yeah, some inside they just move so well.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that BMGI. Dang it.
What's going on? What happened?
It's shooting up.
Oh, nice.
Wish I jumped into that.
Yeah.
Oh, TSM might be a secondary entry right here.
TSM. Okay, let me take a look. TSM started off up. Okay, yeah, level 1 right there.
Yeah.
Could make it. Could make it a good level 1. I like it. If it fails, no harm, no foul. At least you know your target's a low, the pivot low. Probably going to get a little move with it. I like this. Let's see here. Wait. Okay. I like Visa a lot. To me, it's looking very familiar as far as what I've seen before. So we'll see.
Yeah.
Just want to see it get get up there, get up to the prior pivot, hit the VWAP, struggle to go higher, and then we can get that little level 1 right there. And then we got to target back down to the pivot low, which is a pretty good, from 78 or whatever, wherever it's at, 178 to 76, risking probably like 20 or 30 cents on the stop loss.
Yeah. Just gonna get off TSM for now.
Sounds good. Yeah, I kind of went up and then.
Yeah. But MNSO looks good for more downside.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, V. V is the trigger level 1.
Oh, it did? Oh, shit. There we go. I like it.
Yeah, hopefully gonna retest the low.
Yeah, I think so. I think we're going to get a nice move here on V. Come on, V. There we go. We got the level 1 right there. Looking good. Looking nice.
You still in Apple?
No, not anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, I got out. But it still looks good. Oh, you know what looks interesting still is AFRM to the downside. Also, DJT could be a short. Right here, Donald J. Trump. There we go.
Dang.
There we go. Come on. V, come on, V.
You hate that when that happened?
Yeah, it was looking good, huh?
Yeah.
Looking good. I got the DJT short, though. That's working. I don't know if you saw that. I got it off of a 2-minute. So that was a really tight stop loss.
Yeah.
But it's working. I'm thinking get back down to about the 20-period moving average here.
Got Nvidia, Intel all dropping.
Yeah, you know, it looks AFRM still going down. It looks great. It's a little stretched. Oh, we got to add LNW. Look at that. Looks great.
Such a slow moving stock.
I know. Put my stop on V over the top here. The fact that it went down underneath 3 bars,
Yeah.
or sorry, 2 bars lengths, and then it's spiking back up. If it breaks the high of that current bar's high, I probably would definitely throw in the towel on the short side for a little while. It's the stock, I mean, the bar is not finished, so it still could close and go down the next bar, but it seems like, it seems like it's having a little issues here. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Mean. Well, we'll see. Still hasn't done it yet, but doesn't look nice. Oh, I'm going to get out of MNSO now. We're grinding. I think we're going to put in the level 1 to the upside in a second. Then I'll have to get back out. I'm up over $10 today.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Yeah, I got some good moves here. Apple was a really good trade. U was a great trade. I don't know. MNSO was really great. GME worked out great. V worked out great. I don't think I had any losing trades. Let's see here. Did I have any losing trades? Let me look.
Oh, V coming back down.
Oh, great. Awesome. Awesome. Good. If we can get down to the low day, that would be my target.
The CLF is not going anymore. It looks like I might have to get out.
CLF? Okay, yeah. Look what happened to MNSO right when I got out.
We go long on that? Let's go in
I don't know. You could take it as a scalp. I'd be a little worried because of how bad that daily chart looks to the downside. All the yesterday's good buyers got trapped. So maybe they'll look to sell anything on this pop. I think if you were going to go long, I think it would have been off of a 2-minute time frame to just quickly scalp. But I feel like trying it, well, Yeah, you can try it. I mean, it is.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's above the average true range for the day.
it's also kind of far from the 8 moving average. I feel like
Yeah.
it can pull back to at least somewhat, if anything, middle of that.
Yeah, totally. I'm put my stop loss on the rest of this DJT right above this current bar's high.
Because for MNSO, like so many balls I put in, I think that it's need to pull back.
Yeah. I kind of want to get out of LNW because it's just not doing anything.
It's
I have a
slow.
feeling it's going to be one of those sideways all day, stay away kind of trades.
It's just slow.
Yeah, very slow, very sideways. Even though it moved down and it gave me like a couple entries, it's like, I mean, actually, technically, it has a really great chart. If you look at it, I love that it tried to go higher in the morning, created a level 2, broke the level 2, then retested the level 2, and then did a level 1. But now it's just, yeah, it's sort of, to me, acting a little sideways and choppy here. There we go. There goes V. A little bit better for us right here.
Yeah.
If this carries through to the low of day, we might actually see even lower prices. I'm thinking 200 period moving average today. 20 period moving average. So from 277, I'm thinking down to 273. So that's a big, that's from here all the way down. That's.
Yes, it's first CLF now, huh?
Oh, you think it's CLF because it was
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at TSM now. Oh my god, it looks even better.
Good.
To the downside.
Good. Let's get that to that.
Yeah. I did the scalp on it with you on the level 1, but I didn't hold.
Oh. Well, it hasn't break this level 2 or 3 yet, so we'll see.
See the back of this one, Bill. Good look here. My good look. Yeah. Looks a little bit better. We'll see. It's kind of choppy now in the sideways trend. Oh, what?
There we go.
There we go. Okay. Okay, not too bad, not too shabby.
Yeah.
I think we could move our stop loss down to break even now in the trade. I feel like if it came back over and all the way back up, then not to say that the move is over, but I would say that the move is probably going to be a sideways move, if that makes sense. It's like there's certain things that just make me think it doesn't mean that the trend is over. It doesn't mean like you won't get follow through later on. It just means that, well, now you're going to probably sit through an annoying amount of, stuff.
Can I take a pause on that MNSO balance?
Oh, nice. You did that level 1?
Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was too scared to do it because I was shorting it the whole time. So now I'm like, my bias is like,
Yeah.
if you do so, you do so well on the short side. You're like, oh, I don't know if I want to.
I know exactly how that feels.
Yeah, you're like, I don't know if I take it long and it fails on me. I'll feel like it tricked me, and that like I should have, my bias was correct. But yeah, you're right. It had, if you look at the amount of red bars in a row, it had 1, 2,
Yeah.
3, 4, 5, 6, and all I need for a climactic play is five consecutive red bars.
Yeah, because I'm pretty sure people want this to go down, but it's not going down, so people kinda
Yeah,
either
the
get
shorts will
out.
cover a little bit.
Yeah.
I agree. I think you're correct on that. And also, the time is around 10, well, 10:25. Yeah, 10:30 is usually a reversal time in the markets. Because if you think about it, if something gets a sharp move in one direction for a good period of time,
Yeah.
around 10:30 is when the algos kick off. Probably usually, I mean, it's so weird. Just look, a lot of charts will bottom out at 10:30.
Yeah.
It doesn't mean that it's done for the day, but if they like bottom out, it's so weird. There's a 10 o'clock because because in the morning you get the morning flushes, so you get 10 o'clock reversals, 10:30 reversals, 11-ish, 11:15 reversals, and then you get the 2 o'clock late day breakout. Oh, sorry, the 12 or 1 o'clock midday VWAP trades that like the stock will go all the way up to the VWAP or back down to the VWAP. And then it toys around down there, and you're like sitting there going, "Oh man, this is annoying." And then it comes back up, and you get the 2 o'clock late day breakouts. Oh my gosh, look at LNW. I'm not going to trade this one anymore. I got out. I break even, only to see it now back.
It's low volume.
Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't look so good. Oh my gosh. Come on, LN. Oh, come on, there we go. There goes V.
Yeah.
Back in the lows here. Move our stop loss down a little bit lower now. I don't think the top of this red bar should be taken out. There we go. Come on, V. Let's get the party started. Let's go. Let's grind. Let's go all the way down.
I'm curious how much this SMAR can move.
Let's see. Wow. That's quite a chart. Is that a buyout? Double check.
No, I don't think so.
With the news. Okay, good.
I don't know. It's not.
The pattern looks really good, but sometimes it's a buyout at a certain price.
It doesn't have that buyout move. I know buyout will just like go sideways.
Yeah, exactly. Like it doesn't go anywhere, and it
doesn't have any like price or anything.
Wow, this is insane. You got this long?
Yeah, I just don't know how much more to move.
Oh, you got the 3 bars in a row. Probably not a bad idea to take a partial. And then put your stop underneath the 8-period moving average, maybe?
Yeah, I should do that.
A freaking double bottom.
Oh, MNSO could be another short. I'm just gonna get out right here.
Yeah, definitely could be another short right here. All right. I think I'm going to call it a day. I got out on that V double bottom off the 2-minute.
Okay, nice.
I will jump back in if the 2-minute double bottom gets faked out and it goes back down to the downside. But right now I'm a little. Oh my gosh, LNW is now going. Fuck. What? That is such a mistake on my part. I didn't hold with that. I should have just held. It wasn't bad, you know? Look at that. There it goes. The pattern was actually really nice.
Dang, yeah.
But I was too much of a chicken to sit there.
You gotta be patient on that one. It's just a slow moving.
Yeah.
I may end.
DJT took me out on that 5-minute level 1, only to come back down. So I'm adding back into it short.
Uh,
I just want to short it because this Donald Trump stuff. I mean, like, it's so ridiculous. Trump media, you know what I'm saying? Like,
there's no value to it.
I know. It's like, what is he gonna add? Is it just gonna be a bunch of Trump supporters like sitting on a platform, like complaining? I don't really get the appeal.
Well, the guy
you know, like, how do you ever? Well, I guess you could find advertisers. You know, there's gonna be different types of advertisements for those people that, like, you know, that are really hardcore.
Yeah, that's true.
So I guess it could work. I mean, it is a niche. It is a small niche that you're making catering to.
Yeah.
But the thing, I guess, that I think that makes it a little interesting is what happens if he doesn't win the presidency. Your whole investment is all based off of the idea that he's going to win.
Yeah.
So if he doesn't win, Trump media will go bye-bye. You know, it's like, it's not going to be something that people are going to be going to. It's kind of like, you know, when a movie star or something has something like shocking and everybody talks about it for a week.
Yeah.
And then afterwards they're done talking about it and it's the next thing. They move on to the next thing. I feel like that's the case if Trump doesn't win. This Trump media will just move on. You know, it'll be like, move on to the next thing.
Okay, what the SMAR gonna do? This gap up kind of big.
Yeah. All right. Well, it was a good spot to get out on that V.
Yeah, it still hasn't triggered me out yet, but I probably sit inside that range.
Yeah. Well, I mean, you know, it got to the low day, so that was the target. So
Yeah.
it made the target, and then, you know, it did that double bottom on the 2-minute, and that could have been a fake 2-minute double bottom in which, you know, you would have had more profits for sure. But I just figured if it fails to go higher, then fine, I'll jump back in. But wow, TSM just triggered.
Yeah, I'm still in that TSM.
Nice. I'm out of everything now.
I see.
So I'm gonna close the platform down. I think your SMAR is gonna go skyrocketing to the moon. This is insane.
Oh, okay.
And the video looks good for a short too. I love that it tried to go higher first. See, that's a Hikaki so far. Yeah. It's not fully a Hikaki yet, but it looks like a Hikaki. I don't think it's. Yeah, I wouldn't even try to catch the knife today on like Apple and Nvidia and all that stuff because look what they did. They trapped all these buyers first.
I'm all out of V. V is out. It's in the range now.
Which one?
V.
Yeah, V is in that range. Well, you know, you could play around with that idea.
That's true.
You know, sometimes it's weird. Sometimes I feel like trading ranges are easier than trading a trend because, like, you don't know if that level 1 that you get into on the trend is going to continue or it's going to turn into a range. Whereas if you already know that it's in a range, then you're like, oh, okay, great.
Just capture this or capture that.
Yeah. Just short the tops, buy the bottoms, and then as soon as the range breaks, you just get out. So you know, like, all right. Or even when the range breaks, you can just get back in. You can get in to the opposite end, you know, way.
I have an upfront short and I forgot all about it. Jeez.
You had a short and you forgot all about it?
Yeah, on a phone.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Luckily, it's not like suiting up or anything.
Nice. All right. Put my computer to sleep.
Ah, dang it! Look at CLF. I remember I said maybe I should short it.
Yeah, did it flip and go down really hard?
I said I short it. No, it's still going down slowly, but definitely it's not
Okay.
short.
Well, you know, it's probably going down because of the market, right? So it's like it's having a hard time beating the market. Because for the first like 30 or 40 minutes, it was going against the market. And the market was dropping. So it's like, wow, that was really on its own page. But then eventually I think the buyers stepped out of the trade. And then now the algos kicked on, you know, that are basically market driven.
Yeah.
And they're basically doing any and every stock, just, you know, I'm pretty sure, yeah, that's probably what happened. So when the market probably bounces, I'm sure it'll go back up and you'll get a nice move. Let's see here. I always go to my phone and double check.
Alright, the market popping up, everything is also following it.
Yeah. Maybe SMAR will go crazy.
Still going up. I have a couple of stocks I trade today that I don't know, kind of ruined me. SO is 1. TS is 2. Yeah, those two are just like COF. Am I going long again? Right at the VWAP here.
All right, yeah.
Oh, if you have a chance, check out GLW.
Oh, I'm, you know, I got out of everything, and I closed my platform down too because I gotta feed these doggies. Hi.
GLW just sucked straight up. Wow. Okay, let's see what CLW gonna do. Can we get out this firm too? Inside the range.
All right, yeah.
Getting out this TSMT also. Could bounce right there. Yeah, firm is going in the range now.
Oh, okay.
Not a good time to trade.
Yeah. She's so cute. Hi. How are you?
Giving her a scratch.
Yeah. She'll roll over. She rolled on her back and she looked back at me. Okay. Roll on my back. I want my belly rubbed. I'm like, all right. She's getting her tummy and her chest rubbed. And oh my gosh, she loved it. Yes.
Oh wow. Some of the stuff that I cut out that I went flip it. I like M&S.
Oh yeah. Good job on getting out though at the right time.
Yeah.
I think that's a good statistic as well. Like MNSO, I got out right at the right time. Did I go long? No, but it's a good sign when you can get out at the perfect time.
Yeah, I was trying to put in a short for MNSO, but it's never triggered.
Yeah. Oh, did you? Oh, so MNSO is back down?
No, it's going back up. I tried to short it again. No, I'm trying to short it, but it's won't.
Oh, it's going back up a little bit.
Yeah, it didn't trigger. So
Probably goes to the 20. To be honest, I think 20 or VWAP before you short. Yeah. But I think you'll have a really good odds on MNSO shorting it.
Yeah.
Especially if it goes higher up into VWAP or the 20 and the market doesn't do something weird or berserk today.
Yeah.
I think MNSO could go right back down to the low of day. Because think about this. If the stock is at its average true range for the day, or like not average true range, but let's say above average true range, right?
Mm.
And if you look at MNSO, it's pretty much there. It's stretched, right? It's stretched to its, above average true range, right? So if it's there, right, above average true range, and let's say you're like, okay, well, the stock is pretty bearish. I've got that. I've got the bearish daily. I've got a bearish bias. It's underneath the 8, underneath the 20, but I can't short it here because it's stretched, it's stretched too much. What you can do is you wait for it. It comes back up to the 8 and the 20, or it comes back up to the 20 or even the VWAP, up there. You get that short from up there, and probably your target is going to be back down to where the stock was at the before it got stretched, because essentially the stock, that's where its destination was, and that it got to. And then when it gets there, that'll be the end of the day, So it's like you have your first half of the day, which is like almost like telling you, the direction, the distance of the stock, etc., etc. And when it gets super stretched, then it does,
Wow, that double bottom on V was awesome.
Oh, did it go up now?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Breaking the VWAP.
Oh, jeez. That's annoying.
Should get out at that bottom.
Yeah. Well, you win some, you lose some,
Yeah.
They say, know when to hold them, know when to fold them. Or whatever. What's that song? It's like this country song. I don't know. I'll find it. Let me see. You got to know when to hold them. It's like a gambling. Know when to. Oh, The Gambler, Kenny Rogers.
I'm gonna try to short SMAR here. I'm thinking maybe it's gonna do a pullback to the 8.
Okay, alright.
It's also
hey guys. Hi.
the slow
one. Stevie takes all the attention away, huh? Stevie, you're funny. Stevie, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. Hi, guys. Oh, she's going under you, Theon. She's going to go under you. There she does. There she goes. My dog is so tall that the other dog can walk under my dog. Stevie. But this girl will get big too. She's a half poodle, half lab, and she's only 6 months. So I think she's gonna grow for another year. All right. Hi guys. Just gonna check working orders. Orders filled, working, none. Okay. All right. So yeah, a little over 10 hours, which is insane for today. But I think the reason why it did so well is because really the market, and I was going along with the market, the trend of the market. So I've noticed something about my trading, which is I'm better at shorting.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but like when I go long, like when I was taking Tesla long today, which I made a little bit on that stock. I don't even know what happened to it. I think I got out because I felt uneasy about the idea of taking something long while the market was dropping. And let me take a look. Let's see what happened to Tesla. GSLA. Oh my gosh, it dropped.
Yep.
Crazy. Okay. Well, then it was right. Yeah, because see, I took it over the top of the. I even had my alert in. I took it at 255.08, and then rode it up for 1 bar. Got a little move. Then when it gave me a level 1 against the original red bar, I got out at a break even, and then it went up again. And I said, you know what? I'm going to let this bar close before I jump in, and it didn't close strong. And I was like, all right, I'm done. But I guess that was a good thing. I'm doing this. Have you noticed there's like 2 ways to enter a trade? You can enter on the break of the level, or you can wait for that bar to close strong. I mean, not close strong, but close, let's say you're going long, close over the level. As long as it closes, not like, not with a huge topping tail, but as long as it closes strong, then you Al Brooks the next bar.
Oh,
you know what I'm saying?
Okay, interesting.
I did a bunch of analysis, and I found out that there's a very high average where basically if the stock breaks and closes strong, the next bar that breaks that bar, if you do an Al Brooks, which I'm thinking we should call it something else, but if you just do it like a follow through bar, right? You just trade the next bar and it follows through.
Yeah.
And you can get into the trade and then put your stop loss underneath the previous bar rather than the whole structure. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because if that bar gets fails, you're probably gonna lose on the trade because the breakout bar itself failed. So that's something I'm trying to do sometimes when I feel uneasy about like a level 2, because I hate sometimes level 2s. They just especially when they just get really choppy and don't work. I'm thinking, well, I'm gonna wait for it to close, and Ed does that a lot, and it's working. I think also you could do half in on the first bar, half on the follow through bar afterwards, and then you get like a nice move. Oh, and then one other thing to think about too is, why do these patterns work? They work because basically they're building up enough supply or enough demand to where there's an imbalance that occurs, right? So like, let's say something goes up really hard and then it goes sideways for a while, and it just builds up the supply. Builds up enough demand, right? Because it's not going down, right? See what happens if something doesn't go down and it goes sideways. All these people that want the stock, they can't get it for cheap, right? So it's like a big tease, and it's building up enough demand that eventually the demand outweighs the supply, because nobody wants to sell their shares, right? If you were owning the shares and it was up really high, but it wasn't going down, you would think, well, I'm not going to sell it because it's not dropping. So the demand outweighs supply, and eventually when that breaks to the upside, because the demand outweighs supply, the demand kicks in and continues the move higher. But how do you know how much higher it's going to go? And how do you know that demand that breaks is going to keep moving enough for you to make profits? And that's the problem, is that we don't know, right? We don't know. But I think there are things that help make something higher odds, which is, remember how you put that study to where it tells you how far you are away from a moving average?
Yeah.
I think that is a really good study because that's telling you if you're taking a pattern and the stock has only rested for a very short amount of time to where there really isn't a buildup of demand, like there really isn't that much of a buildup of demand, well then now you know, oh, I'm taking a move and there's a very high odds that when the demand kicks in, there's going to be no more demand because it's already moved quite a bit. So that's something I'm working on, just trying to remember where is that 20 period moving average in relation to the stock. Hi, buddy. Okay, that's for you. You can, Stevie. Dion, okay, you can eat your food. Stevie, I got yours right here, baby. I got yours right here, sweetie. Yeah. Okay. Come on, Stevie girl. Oh, this is going to be yummy. This is yummy. Yeah. That looks good. Okay. Good doggy. My Theon, he's been having some diarrhea issues because
Oh crap.
yeah, well, it's not the food. I think what's going on is he constantly has to play with Stevie the entire time, and so he's not getting a chance to digest his food or relax,
Oh, I see.
And then and then they drink so much water because they're playing so much.
Yeah.
So yeah. Oh, okay. Well, there we go. Oh my gosh, is it gonna rain today? That'd be so nice. Did you ever do cold plunges?
No, there's no place for me to plunge.
Oh, okay. If you've ever tried it, I highly recommend it. It's amazing.
I do cold shower before.
Oh, you do? Okay. Yeah, that's good for you. Yeah, I mean, they say like cold, like extreme cold and extreme and very hot, like saunas.
Yeah, well, I didn't have a
Or like-
choice.
or like-
Hot water broken.
Or no, but like they say, like if you do saunas, like people that do saunas and that people do cold therapy tend to have long lifespans because of the it triggers certain things in the cells to like, I guess it's kind of like fasting,
Yeah.
like our body likes a little bit of controlled stress, they call it. It's like when you're fasting, you're not giving your body food for enough time that it has to do something
Yeah.
that it wouldn't have to do, and which causes survival. It causes it to like produce like new cells and better cells, and like they call it the senescent cells. It takes all the senescent cells that are bad and throws them away and stuff like that. So I try to do fasting, I try to do cold plunge, and I try to do saunas, and also taking this stuff called resveratrol, which is anti-aging, and it's made with the stuff in wine. There's like, I guess like there's this extract in wine called resveratrol, and it's like they give it to mice and stuff, and they found that it like extends their lifespan like crazy.
Right.
And it's from the wine. It's from the it's like having like 100 shots of wine, but without getting drunk. It's like that stuff in it that's like really crazy high antioxidant.
Yeah.
So I've been taking that, and it's similar to like green tea. It's like drinking like 20 cups of green tea. It's like really good for you, but like you'd be so full with 20 cups. So
I took a shot on a firm right near the VWAP, but above the 8.
Oh, okay.
And then I just got out, thinking it's above the 8. I don't want to sit through this, and I'll just keep going without me.
Oh my gosh, let me see.
And then Visa, I only took
Yeah.
half a risk, so I wish I went in full risk.
Oh, Visa, let me see. Is it do the top? It shorted at the top? Yeah, oh man,
Yeah.
that range.
Yep.
But now you could probably, the funny thing is the first level one that you get to that is probably going to take you back up, you know?
Yeah. Yeah,
So
that's
you
why.
can go long and short on this.
That's why I didn't want to do on the Affirm because like it looks like it's in the range. I don't want it to go back up again. So.
Yeah. What you could do is when you think something's in a range, but you think that you have a good odds of still getting a couple bars in your favor, you could give it a really, really wide stop, like above something, like maybe like, you know, like an average true range. Like look at the amount that you get and say like, okay, I'm gonna give it like 2 bars length against me.
Yeah.
So you take your bubble and you just go in, and then that way if you're wrong on the trade, they really have to get you wrong in order for you to be wrong. Like they can't just spook you over just one candle, you know? It'd have to, I guess what I'm trying to say is it'd have to really change trends for it to really get you. Which, it's kind of not the best trade idea because you're not risking like 1 R to technically make like probably a half an R, on the trade. But I think the odds are on your side because of the fact that you can kind of predict what's probably going to happen based off of seeing it so many times.
Yeah.
So the odds are, you got a good odds trade, but a bad risk reward. It's funny. There's this weird correlation. Have you noticed that with like certain trades that are like really high odds of working, but they have really bad risk to reward, whereas certain trades that maybe don't have the best odds of working, they have like such good risk to reward. Like you take and that's why they're so unexpected. Like for example, that TSN.
Yeah.
Like shorting that level 1 above the 20 and above the 8, that would have been sort of a coin flip. It's sort of like, why would, it's not even climactic. There's nothing climactic about the trade, but yet if you shorted that level 1 and you actually gave it that tight stop loss of that level 1, oh my gosh, like you make like 4 R's on that trade, or 4 or 5 R's. So it's really crazy that there's, they don't talk about that in trading books. They talk about, you got to have the 2-to-1 risk to reward, but they don't talk about how it's not really. You could have a really, really bad win rate, but you take lots of level 1s, and when they work, they give you like 4 or 5 R's. And vice versa. You could have a really great win rate, but your risk to reward is like half an R. Like you make half an R on every trade because your win rate is so high because you take these small little like range plays.
Yeah.
So
you get out of that Visa break even.
Oh, perfect. Yeah. There's the level 1 to the upside.
Yep. Did it go long then?
You could, yeah. And to be honest, if that level 1 fails and it gets underneath that bar, that previous bar's low, that's going to be a level 2 right there with extra confirmation. That's basically like a secondary signal. If you didn't take this long right here and this long fails on, after like 1 or 2 bars, and goes back down, that's a secondary signal right there, because your first signal was the level 1 at the 20, and then the secondary signal is the level 2 that forms shortly afterwards. But yeah, I think you could take it long. That's not a bad idea.
I'm gonna try that.
It looks like it's below the VWAP though on my chart.
Is below the VWAP, but the 8 and the 20 is crossing over, so I'm thinking that could be a direction.
I agree. Hi guys. Leon, you did so good, buddy. Hi, sweetie.
Yes, MNSO could be changing direction also.
Which one?
MNSO.
Oh, let me see. Oh, geez. Going back up.
Yeah.
Wow, really, really surprised on this MNSO how much it goes. Maybe it's going to go to the 60 period moving average, all the way at 13 something. If this fails though, if this level 1 right here fails, from this red bar, this breakout,
Yeah.
I would totally short this stock right here, because that would be your target is 12.51, and you're probably risking 20 cents, no, 10, 15 cents to make 50 cents. So that's great. That's a reward. Hey, buddy. All right, man. Well, I will. How are you doing today?
I'm down over 4 hours at the moment, so
Okay, not too bad.
not
You
too
bounced
bad.
back from 10 hours losses.
Yeah. I guess
Maybe it's.
the theme of my trading is that not trading moving.
Oh, geez. So you had a lot of
Yeah,
trades
a lot of whip back and forth, you know. So I'm like, why am I doing this to myself, you know? I
Yeah.
have so
Well,
much.
I understand. I mean, I jumped into MU and it went against me a little bit. Apple went against me after I was in it. But, I stuck to my original plan, which was as long as it didn't break that 20 period moving average, I wasn't going to get out. Because the daily was the morning was too good for me to not get out of those trades, because the fact that it tried to in the morning, it broke out like okay, for example, Jared Wesley from Live Traders,
Yeah.
he put on his Twitter Apple long today, so he had Apple long as a long trade. So it's like, oh, okay, so he's thinking it's a long, right? And then it breaks out to the upside and slams, just slams back down. So that you can imagine how many traders probably thought the same thing as Jared Wesley, Apple long, and then they get smashed in the first 5-minute candle.
Yeah.
Oh, so and they're probably still holding the trade, saying well, I'm not going to get out until it breaks a pivot. And then as soon as it formed the pivot, it was like, oh, now not only do we have a sign that it broke out and failed, but now we have another sign that it broke out, failed, and then it tried to go higher one more time, and it got slammed twice. Oh my gosh, you guys are funny.
Oh my
Stevie!
God. Affirm, why did I get out?
Wow.
Okay.
All right, man. Well, be safe. I hope
Yeah.
just trade relaxed. Just be calm and find really good setups.
Yeah.
Let's see what happened to that other one, the V.
I know.
If it's going sideways or did it go up? Oh, it's still just going. I guess it broke up, and it's only doing one bar up.
Yeah. Let's see what's gonna do in the next bar.
Yeah, that's another thing too. Is you could have a level 1 on V that works to the upside for one bar, and then it because it's in a channel, maybe it goes sideways for a while and just goes back and doesn't even go back and forth, but just doesn't go to the downside, but doesn't go to the upside. Just kind of that's the hard part about channels too. Is you have the top and you have the bottom, but are you willing to hold? Are you willing to hold inside the channel when it goes against you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Stevie, here you go. Oh my goodness, guys. Hi, Theon. Hi, buddy. All right, well, I gotta run, but I guess, yeah, I hope all is good.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. You know that one guy, Hassan or whatever?
Oh yeah, is he still trading?
Yeah, he's still trading. He did pretty good yesterday. I think he said he made 9 Rs.
Dang.
But he's also only trading with 1 share now. He says he's only trading 1 share on every stock, and then 2 shares, and then he'll add and stuff like that. Which I was like, how do you then calculate what your R is? But he's trading penny stocks now. but he said he said something about his video. He said if anyone is looking for a broker,
Yeah.
he said he trades with a broker that is outside the U.S., so he doesn't have to use 25,000 in his account.
Risky.
And yeah, I don't know how much, but he said he's been using them for forever. But he probably puts like 5,000 in it, and he says he gets like crazy margin amount, so he can, and then he gets that platform too. So I was looking, and he said the fills are amazing as well. And he said to just message him. I was curious if you can use Dash Trader with that broker.
Yeah.
And then I get the same amount of buying power on TD Ameritrade, then that would be interesting to try that. Oh my gosh, you're goofy. Hi, Fion. Stevie. Oh my gosh. All right, man. Well, I gotta run. These dogs are playing again at it.
Okay.
They just ate. You guys just ate. Chill out. Chill out. Hey, Stevie, relax. Oh my gosh. All right. Well, take care. Be
Yes,
safe.
sir.
You're probably getting a good Apple long eventually.
Hmm.
You're probably gonna be. Oh, jeez. I didn't even. Wow. Let's see. Okay. Let's see what time Apple moved up. Let's see what time Apple moved up off that 5-minute doji. Okay, so basically 10:50. Okay, so roughly around. Let's see. It bottomed out at 10:45. Okay, so like I guess 15 minutes later than the 10:30 reversal time, but it makes sense. I mean, it was going bar by bar. Wow, you could have gotten that long on Apple. Excuse me, Stevie, stop jumping on. All right, man, I gotta run, but I'll talk to you soon. I hope you are able to bounce back. But if not, don't dig yourself too deep.
Yeah. I'm thinking of trading this COF again. It's kind of double top.
Let's see.
Yeah.
I'll tell you if you're okay. Yeah, double top right there.
Yeah.
Let's see, strong daily. But if you treat it like a scalp, then that's fine. I think that's at least for your first partial, treat it like a scalp, and then zoom into a 2-minute time frame, and don't let it take out the top of a 2-minute bar.
Yeah. All right. Sounds good.
Because you are above the 20 on the 2-minute, so you're shorting right into the 20 on the 2-minute here. Yeah, it's kind of a tricky one.
Yeah.
I think the level 1 at the VWAP would have been great.
Which is what I took.
10:45.
I actually
long?
took that long. Yeah, and
Oh, you did?
I just got out on the top.
Oh, nice, man. That's a great long.
Yeah.
That's incredible. Yeah, that's perfect. Right at the VWAP, right at the 20,
Yeah.
with a very clean controlled pullback all the way to that. Like there wasn't lots of overlapping or anything like that. And then you got the bottoming tail right at the 20 that nicked it, and then comes back up. Yeah, that's great. That's great. And the volume too on the pullback, as it was pulling back, the volume died down too. So you know that the selling is not as strong as the buying in the morning. So that's nice. I gotta take a picture of this one as a perfect example, and also the opening range. It had an opening range too. I did the opening range with you guys, but I didn't like what happened on the 4th bar.
Took forever for it to move, but then
I got out on that third bar right there, and then when you stayed in, and then
I think I didn't gain much from it. It's like,
yeah, it was tough. It was tough. I didn't, like I said, Tesla and this one were my only longs, and I didn't trust them because of the market was so bearish that I was a little bit worried that the market was going to bring it down.
yeah.
But it worked. Goofy.
A lot of stuff are kind of behaving similarly.
Mm-hmm. Ow. Jeez. It's crazy. This CLF had the exact two things that happen to a stock almost like 90% of the time. Had the opening range break, and then it has the level 1 to the VWAP.
Yeah.
It's funny how that, like that, I see that happen so much to a stock that is usually strong. Is it'll have an opening range break. The opening range break works for a little bit, and then you get the pullback to VWAP, and then that's the level 1, and then it goes higher, and then you get later on, you get like the 20, you get the 20 moving average.
That's actually, the moving average catching up, so I decided to just getting out on the 2 minute.
Oh, good. Good, yeah.
I don't think it's a good idea.
Great idea.
Yeah.
You can always short when it gets underneath the 20.
Yeah.
If it does. And then also, if it doesn't get underneath the 20, goes sideways for a while, maybe it'll offer a nice, like, level 3 over the highs.
Yeah. Looks like it could do that. And Visa is also look like it's going to fail.
Oh, geez. Okay, let me see. Visa.
Yeah.
5 minutes. Yeah, looks good. Okay. Yeah, looks very nice.
Looks good on the 15 minutes.
Yeah, it looks really good. Oh, I sent you a study that makes it so they show you can choose I can't get it to work, but the guy, I'll find the video. Let me see if I can find this video. Think or Swim. Think or Swim. Oh, jeez. Okay, videos. Okay, let me send this to you. Share. You might like this one. If you can make it work, I don't know. I can't get it to work, but the guy shows it. So basically what it does is you choose the time frame, a higher time frame that you want. And while the candles are being produced, on the right, you give your chart a little bit of extra room. He says it's a good idea to give it 5 bars extra room.
Yeah.
But it'll basically it'll have a shadow candle. It'll show you a candle on your I guess just take a look at the thumbnail. You'll see. You get to see a candle that's forming inside the candles, basically. So, like, let's say you're trading off of a 5 minute, right?
Mm-hmm.
And or better yet, let's say you're trading. Let's say you're trading on. Okay, you're seeing it.
Oh God.
I know. I get so many advertisements for like stuff like that. You have to skip it.
Oh God, secondary ad. MNSO could be a long. It's holding strong.
MNSO. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it's holding strong. Let's see if it breaks. And then maybe it's going to get to the 60.
Yeah.
Aggregation, but right now I'm running the day aggregation with this set to no. If I had
So you see how you can see the candle, the extra candle?
Yeah.
at the day aggregation,
It's kind of cool. So you could be trading a 5-minute and look at the daily candle that you're on,
Yeah.
or a 15-minute candle, whatever higher time frame. So I was thinking about trying to put this study into my 5-minute chart and making it the 15-minute candle, so I always can know what current 15-minute candle I'm trading in.
Yeah.
And then I'll know, like, oh, okay, if it breaks the previous
Whoa.
15-minute candle, that would be here. You know, like, you know where that is based off of the current 15-minute candle. So it'll make it so you don't need so many charts up on your thing. Because I hate, having to have, like, a 5-minute, a 2-minute, a daily, a this and that. And so I'm trying to just keep it at, like, 3 chart minimum. But if I can get that extra information, then I don't have to switch my 2-minute to a 15-minute. I can always just keep it 2, 5 daily, and then the 15-minute will be right off of the 5-minute chart or something like that.
Remember that? I don't think did I mention DXCM?
Let me see. I think you did. Yeah, it was a penny stock, right?
No. It's not penny. It's something else.
Oh, geez! Look what happened when it hit the 60.
What's the 60? Almost hit it, I guess.
Oh, for me, it's right there. I'll show you. And I don't know if you remember, but the 60 is basically the 15-minute 20-period moving average. See, I do all these little tricks so I don't have to have so many time frames.
Yeah.
Like the 20-period moving average, the 200-period moving average on a 5-minute chart is basically like a 20-period moving average on an hourly chart.
Right. Yeah.
And so if something breaks the 20 to the downside, if something breaks the 200 to the downside, I know that, on the hourly time frame, it went from bullish to bearish. So an hourly time frame, if I trade off the 5-minute today, I've got that hourly on my side right now.
Yeah.
I might not have the daily on my side, but if the daily is also on my side, then that's even better. But yeah.
Oh crap! No, I don't want to do that. I want to take partial, not add to this.
Oh. Let's see what's going on here. Intraday.
Oh, MNST triggered me in. Let's see what happened with this one.
Okay. MNST. You guys, can you guys chill out? Do you mean MNSO or do you mean?
I'm sorry. Yes, MNSO. My bad.
Oh, okay.
These are just trading in the range.
Yeah. I don't know. I feel like it. Yeah, I mean, MNSO, it did trigger. I really kind of wish it did one more red bar if I was going to do it. Just one more red bar just to prove, but it did trigger. You could get out on a 2-minute just so you can be careful, just in case. If it ever goes back underneath the previous 2-minute bar's low.
Yeah.
Just, so you don't lose again on it. Let's see here. Let's see what the 15-minute time frame looks like. Yeah, so it's producing now. Look how many 15-minute bars we have in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on the 5th 15-minute green bar. So just be careful,
Yeah.
Because the second it trades underneath the 15-minute bar.
It's also right there at that. Yeah, I'm just gonna get out then.
I mean, as long as it stays above the 2-minute time frame. Oh yeah, it's going back down, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm just gonna get out. It's
that's
gonna
probably
be choppy
a good idea.
little bit. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just wait. Wait for a red bar, and then you could even go you could go crazy tight and just shoot short the 2 minute. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, look at that.
I know.
That 1R right there off the 2 minute. Oh, my God. And, of course, it hits the 20. This one I might come back and trade this as a swing trade on my Webull account. Let me see. Let me see what the options, how much are the options for a put is. Oh, the option contracts are kind of spready. They're not very good at all. I don't like that. I guess I'll have to just do it with my, let's see, what does it say? Shortable? Okay. I might try it on my Webull account here. Just, when I get a signal off the 2 minute, if the 2 minute gets underneath the 20 period moving average, I might try to short it and just hold on to the end of the day.
Okay.
And and then at the end of the day, when it gets down to the low of day, if it does, I'll take a little partial and then hold the rest over the course of how many days, because this is a opening range break, basically. It's a 5 minute opening range break on the daily time frame, basically. So it could keep going down to, let's see, where's support? Wow, it could go down to like $9 or so. And worse, all the way down to, I don't know what this MNSO is. I don't know why it's dropping. Let's see, so 297. What's that stop? 298? Oh, 297, 298. Wow. It's a 1 cent stop loss. Okay, guys, chill out. It's okay, dudes. Aw.
Oh wow, that's COF working great.
Oh, nice. MNSO. I don't want to open up my platform again.
Don't do it.
I can't help it. It looks too good. I think it's gonna be a really good trade eventually. We'll see. If it never triggers, it never triggers. But it looks pretty good. Let's see. All right. Okay. I'm gonna go small on everything.
Oh, SOFI trigger me in.
All right. All right. MNSO. Okay. Wow, that DJT would have been great if I stayed in it and went all the way back down.
Yeah.
Okay, MNSO looking better now for either a long or a short. It really just depends on what it does under here. Let's see what DJT is doing. Donald Trump. DJT.
Kind of sideways.
Sideways, yeah. MNSO. Looks like it's going to go higher a little bit. Oh, well, the SPY is going up.
Mm-hmm.
And MNSO is trying to go up with the SPY, but it's having a hard time here. I need to choose something. So let's see.
Looks like this COF might be done now.
Let's take a look. CLF, yeah, looks like that double top, and then got up to the high again.
Yep.
Triple top. Having a little issues.
Mm-hmm.
Those level ones definitely worked both ways.
Yeah. Oh, Visa could be a short again.
Okay, I like that. I like to hear that because, yeah, you're right. Look at that secondary signal.
Mm-hmm.
Looking better.
Yeah, I think this COF is done.
Yeah, that looks like it, at least for right now. But now you know where resistance is at the top. So if it ever breaks that level, you can go long, and you probably got a level 3 right there.
Yeah. It's not no buyer stepping in yet.
No, they probably are going to buy back towards value, some area of value.
Yeah.
But if you see the buyers step in after one red bar and they bring it right back up into that range, then you know, oh wow, the buyers are pretty aggressive to where they're willing to actually pay higher for it.
Yeah. Gonna do a special sauce add to this COF if it doesn't break that. Okay, it's break.
Oh,
Alright. I don't know, it's just let's channel.
just be careful,
Yeah.
15 minute. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that 15 minute on MNSO. Looks really good for a short. I'm just waiting around, but yeah, it looks pretty good. If it breaks to the upside, then great. But I don't think it's gonna do it. I think it's actually gonna be a short here. Yeah, right up into the range that it broke out from earlier.
Yeah.
You know.
You talk about COF, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it's looking pretty good.
Yeah, let's see what it's gonna do. Hopefully you go back down to the VWAP, that's where I'm showing them now.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
On the 2 minute?
Oh no, on the 5 minute.
On the 5 minute. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, you're right. I got triggered in, so I would love this to get back down to 1279. First place, Oh, I can't get filled. Oh, there we go.
Oh, Visa triggered me in, you see. Visa
Ooh,
is kind of choppy, I just don't know.
Yeah. There we go.
Yeah.
Nice little drop for us.
Yep. gosh, I'm only down 2 all. Nice.
Wow, good job, man.
Thank you, thank you.
Good job. You took the CLF short,
Yep,
and then
I flip it short. I'm in crowd work, CRWD.
yeah,
I mean, that's the XCM, and it looks like it's bouncing back to that partial.
yeah.
Uh,
I'm
really,
just putting my stop loss now on this MNSO just above the high here.
yeah.
Just gonna let it do its thing.
Just hope these can.
I took a partial on that little spike down just for fun, just to quickly just lock in something on it, and then we'll see if it. Wow, CLF still going.
Yeah.
Are you in that short?
Yeah, I mean, that's short. I'm gonna take a partial near the VWAP right here.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's great. That's a really great trade right there. That's a really nice level 1 too, and I think because it made a new high too. Well, did it make a new high?
It did.
Oh, cool.
Trapping
Awesome,
a bunch
yeah.
of buyer in there now.
Oh, that's awesome.
Check out this GLW. What do you think? What's your
GLW, okay.
Yeah, it has a like spike up early, but then it put in a new high value right now.
I don't know. See, it started off with a gap up, filled the gap, did a nice bottoming pattern, trapped some short sellers, snap right back. Now it's going up. I don't know. It's tricky.
Yeah.
It looks like it could, you could scalp it short back down to the prior range, 45.10.
Yeah.
I think maybe better to just sit it out and not trade it unless it gets above the top, Maybe that's the. Oh, look at that. MNSO working. Let's see what the 15-minute looks like now. Did I get my 15-minute level 1? Almost. This is. Oh, sweet. Okay, I think we're going to trigger that level 1 on the 15 here.
It might, yeah. Kind of like view up, break and fail.
Yeah, now I'm going to put my stop loss closer to break even now. Instead of where it was over the top. But now because I got this wide range bar, this comes back up into 1293. I'll just get out. Because it could just go sideways for a little bit more.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean it can't work later on in the day, though. I think, could be amazing. Like right now, yeah, Visa looks great.
Yeah. Hope we can retest the low. That'd be nice.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
I'm also in a long on TSM. Looks really good right now, too.
Let's see, TSM.
Oh, wow. TSM went from down 1
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah. I might just close it around here.
That's crazy. Wow, it goes all the way back up. That's amazing. I wonder what GME did. Oh, GME is still dropping. Damn it, I should have held. Couldn't have. GME is grinding, though. Look at how many grinds. Oh, man. Oh, wow, CLF still going. Dude,
Nice.
don't even get out of this
Nice.
until you get a level 1, because you're going to... This may turn into a red day. It may get underneath the VWAP and go sideways for a bit, and then from there you just put your stop above VWAP, and wow. Yeah, that's awesome. Wow, TSN's still going. Okay.
Yeah.
I see the long I would have done on TSM, which is at around 11.25. Would have gone long there. That red bar, and then above the 8, the 20, and the VWAP. But that's hindsight. I think I might have been too scared too.
Yeah.
It looks good now because I see it's gone up bar by bar. But if I had gotten in there and it went sideways for a little bit, I probably would have gotten spooked.
The thing is, I was actually showing it earlier. I was trying to show it, it just keep failing on me. So once it breaks above that VWAP,
yeah, you can see the breakdown failure too. The level 3 that happened at 10:35. We got that breakdown right underneath the level 3.
Yeah.
And then the next bar, it went down a little bit lower and then turned into a green bar, and then the next bar came up. You would have had to get out, break even there.
Yeah.
So then you try to short it after the breakdown failure.
Oh my god,
So
look at
maybe
that. The XCM. Wow. I'm gonna take another partial, geez.
DXCM. Let's see. DXCM. Jeez, amazing. Great job.
The XCM went from red trade to one of the better trade today.
This is that one that you traded in the morning that I didn't want to do, right?
I don't remember.
Because the volume was so, like, I look at the 2-minute chart and I see so many gaps.
Ah, this is
Yeah,
another
that's too
one.
many.
But yeah, there was a few with that. SO is my worst trade of the day. I'm like down like 3 all on that thing alone.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So,
Because I like keep flipping it. I'm like,
oh, jeez. Actually, no, I think it was SO is the one that I didn't want to trade. Look at the go to the 1 minute or the 2 minute and see how many little just go to the 2 minute. Look at all the gaps. Or even the 1 minute. Look at all the gaps.
Yeah. The 1 minute definitely has a lot of gap.
Yeah.
I don't think you remember you look at SO. I think it was something else.
It was something like this though.
Hmm.
Like the pattern looks great, but the gaps make me think that there's not enough volume that trades for that time period.
Oh.
It's not. Yeah, it's like, and also think about it. If you get in on a trade and it goes against you because it gaps,
yeah,
you're not going to get the best. You're going to have pretty bad fills, I think.
GameStop might be another short.
Oh, really? Let me see.
Yeah, I mean, look at that. It just followed the 8 and 20 as it just short the thing.
There's another short right there, yeah.
Alright, let's try it. Let's try it.
MNSO looks great. If you can just get underneath these, see how it hit support and bounced right off support where the prior wick went down to? 1286. It went down around to 1286 and spiked right back up. So basically under 1286 is where I'd want to short. Oh, DJ2 just triggered.
GameStop just triggered.
Yeah. Nice. You're getting close to yesterday's low.
Yeah.
So just be careful.
Yeah. Also right at that point, that moving average also.
Yeah. But maybe that's where it's going. Maybe it's going, all the way down there.
I'm hoping this Visa won't bounce. Keep going down.
Yeah, Visa looks good. You're almost at support.
Yeah. Come on, give me one more move. I'll take a partial. I promise.
Yeah.
Wow, CLL. Nice.
Yeah. That's insane. Like, wow. The amount of candles without buyers coming in.
Yeah.
And then if you look to the left, the buyers stepped in right around here before. So maybe they're going to step in. I don't know.
Today I'm gonna learn my lesson from yesterday because if I'm gonna break even or be green, then I'm gonna stop rather than let me go back down to like $1.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yesterday that what happened. I was green for a little bit and then I let it go back down and then bam, down one and a half all I think.
Okay. It's not bad.
Just the XCM I think you're gonna just lock it in because it's at the low. It could keep going, I don't know, but
Oh my gosh, look at it, it's still going. That's crazy.
this
Maybe it does a new low failure against the prior pivot, the 1260, so it gets underneath there.
Yeah.
And then, but yeah, I think you're smart. Lock in a little bit, if not the whole thing.
Yeah, yeah. COF, I'm not COF. I'm still holding on to it. Wait for this ball to finish, and then we put a stop. I already took a partial.
Mm-hmm.
It's the DXCM is at the low of data. So I'm like, I'm just gonna lock it in.
Yeah. I think this MNSO looks really good.
Freaking Visa. Jeez.
Yeah, coming back up.
Back to 2-all for me. Down 2-all for me because of Visa.
Ah, sorry, man. Yeah, that's annoying.
This TSM, I think we get out too. It's at the top of high day. It's also full ball
You can't
ready.
get freaking filled.
Wait, what happened?
There we go. I tried to get filled on MNSO to add to my position after this little candle that went up. And DJT looks interesting for a short. Underneath the moving averages. Got okay, nah. Looks like DJT's putting in a doji bar today. Look at that. See the doji. Look at the daily chart. See how extended it is. Looks like it's putting in a doji bar. Ooh.
MNSO is working.
Yeah, we got the follow through now.
Yeah.
So let's you know.
Alright, I'll join you. Let's see what happens. It's triggered a 15-minute.
Yeah, it's getting right to the.
It doesn't want to fail me.
Doesn't want to feel you? That's annoying. I had to cancel my order and try it twice.
Okay.
So sometimes I've noticed that on Thinkorswim. I don't know if this is a Charles Schwab thing or not, but like you'll try to short it, and the order will just be waiting there. If you're waiting there for like, if you can count to like 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you still haven't gotten filled, just quickly cancel the order, press it again, and you'll probably get filled right there. It's annoying. It's so annoying, but it's like, I think that's what they're doing. They're like, make it so you don't get filled, and you wait there.
Wow.
And if you do wait and you don't get filled, and it drops right all of a sudden, you'll get filled, but you'll get the worst fill. That's why I always cancel it. Like if I'm like trying to get filled, but I'm not, and it triggered, but I'm not getting filled, and this, you know, I'll quickly cancel and quickly do it again, because if I let it sit there, man, I'm gonna get the worst fill. Like what happened to me many times, and then it totally ruins your risk, your R unit.
Wow, look at TSM still going up. Why am I getting out of that one? I don't know. Being chicken.
Stevie, what's going on? What's going on, Dion? Hi, buddy. Do you want to go outside? Stevie, you're barking at people outside? You're barking at people? Nice. There goes MNSO.
MNSO working. Should I add to this COF?
CLF? I don't know. The 20 period moving average, where is that? You could. Taking a partial right here on MNSO. Why? Because we're at the 20 period moving average below it.
Yep. Smart. Do that. Yep.
So it could just go sideways for a while, for the rest of the day, and if it's going to trade in a range inside this little range, I don't want to, deal with that crap. Oh, DJT just triggered underneath the pivot, but I'm not going to do it. It looks really good, though. It actually might turn into a red day and go down again. Oh, hello! Hi! Hi,
Oh my
Dion!
God,
Hi,
look at
sweetie.
TSM keep going without me.
TSM is going without you?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that.
I know.
It's going to get climactic.
Yeah.
Probably. What a crazy move, right? Wow. Oh, it's very impressive.
Wow, that DXCM got out at the right spot too. Love that.
Yeah. Good job. Good job. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Oh wow, what a bounce. See, I
Oh, did
picked-
it bounce right there?
yeah, it's bounced so good too. I should have picked that level 1 to the upside, back to the 8.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm watching this CMCSA, I'm thinking maybe it's a long, but is it below the 8?
Yeah.
Well, thanks. Oh my gosh.
What is it?
TSM.
Oh, I know.
It went up and then they add to it and just keep going up. I took a partial at that one pivot and then I
I know. You never know. You never know. I
Yeah,
mean, look
and
at CLF. CLF may keep going down.
Yeah, I'm still in CLF. I don't know if it's an ad or not though. That's the only.
I don't know. I wouldn't add. It's just a one red bar. I mean, one green bar. So you're
Yeah.
adding on a continuation,
Right.
but it's not a single. It's a single bar after how many red bars?
Yeah.
So you do that, and then it goes against you. You kind of ruin everything. Whereas if it was maybe, I don't know, 3 or 4 back and forth, red and green, and you were saying, I want to add now that I've gotten this consolidation, I would say, yeah, good idea.
Yeah.
You've gotten more information about how many buyers and sellers are fighting at that spot, whereas just one candle doesn't give you a lot of.
TSM is getting extended now.
Yeah, you could short it, but be careful.
Yeah.
You could do a 2-minute and just scout. Hey, sweetie. Hey, baby. Hey, down. Yeah. Oh. Yes. Oh, what a good girl. What a good girl. Yeah. Shh. Okay. You know what? Lay down. Shh.
Wow, that's the XCM. See, I went in long. Bounce right back to the VWAP in one single ball. Amazing.
Yeah.
Come on, MNSO. Keep going, buddy.
Well, we're breaking the 20, but I think we're going to snap back, unfortunately. That's why I'm moving my stop loss a little tighter and tighter.
Yeah.
But it's fine. If we snap back, then I'm out of the trade, and then I'll get in later, you know? Wow, look at the SPY.
I know.
Gosh, look at TSM. Oh, my gosh.
I
What the
know.
heck? Wow, incredible. Well, I got taken out of MNSO. I don't know if that was the right thing because it didn't break above a prior bar's high, but
Yeah, I'm just ball by ball on this right now. Hopefully it
yeah.
keep going down, but
I went too tight. I did like a 2-minute, and it just smacked me.
I see.
I keep doing that. Sometimes it's great, and sometimes it gets me. You know, like it helped me on V.
Yeah.
On Visa, I got out right there, but on sometimes it's like I look at it and go, "Why did I do 2-minute?" I don't ever analyze 2-minute time frame.
Yeah.
But then I'll look like let's see, MNSL triggers over the 5-minute here.
Look at CLF.
I
still
saved a
going.
little bit by doing the 2 minutes, so I'm like maybe.
Yeah. So it's work both way, right? You gain some,
Yeah.
you lose some on either one.
Exactly, yeah. Hey, sweetie. Is that for me? Hi, Dion. Is that for me? Hi. Hi, buddy. You're pretty fine. Hi. I don't want that. That's super slobbery. God, so gross. I'm just like cleaning up so many toys. Ew. No. What the heck?
Oh
It's
wow.
like slobber heaven here.
COF is going down still. Nice. Getting kind of extended now.
Yeah.
Can take a pause though.
Good job, man.
Yeah, I'm almost break even. I'm just hoping for this MNSO, maybe GME can just keep going down.
Yeah. I think MNSO will have places to add if it gets underneath the 20.
Yeah.
You can bet it's probably going to come back up,
It's
and then
coming back up right now.
yeah.
There's a 2 minute on TSM, but I'm not taking that. I'm too close to break even to do risky trade. Visa, then you sideways.
Hi, Dion. Okay. Hey, buddy. Hey, Stevie.
Oop, 145. Yes, GameStop is breaking down. Nice.
Oh, wow.
Gonna take another partial on GameStop just in case.
Yeah. Oh, you shorted it? Awesome.
Yeah, I'm just being chicken.
Did you do the pivot short, like the level 2? Is that what you did?
No, I actually enter level 1 of the 8 moving average.
Oh, let me take a look.
My reason is that the pony in the 8 is just going, just like a railroad track.
So DJT, so you basically just let it go.
Oh no, GameStop.
Oh, GameStop.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, my bad. Yeah, I saw that one. That was good. That was great. Yeah, the level 1 right at the 8. That was really nice.
Yeah.
And that was a retest of the breakout level too.
Yeah.
Here, I'll send you a picture. I think you'll see now. This is always a really great place to re-enter a trade. So here's the level 3. And then here...
I don't really want to enter Visa. Look at that. It looks good. Break level 2 right now.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Let me see. Let me take a look. So basically, this is what you did, essentially, in a nutshell. Do you see how...
Which one are you looking at?
GME.
Yeah, pretty much.
Right? See the breakout level 3, and then you retest that.
Oh, I did not see the level 3. I just lucky, I guess.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you should start implementing look to your left always.
Yeah.
Look to the left. Look to the left. If you start looking to the left rather than just immediately what you're doing, because what you're doing is great. You're looking at right now at this moment in time. What is the pattern? But then sometimes you'll say, "What do you think about this?" And I'll look to the left and I'll be like, looks great, but the pattern looks great. But did you look over to the left? Like you see that support, or do you see that resistance? You know, and then you'll take it, and it ends up failing on you. And I'm like, yeah, because looked over to the left. It's not just a single candle. You know, you got to worry about. Whereas, yeah.
Oh my god, I wish I held 2 GameStop, like my whole share size, and like 1, 2, almost 3 all move.
Yeah, this is nice. And now you're getting into support right here.
Yeah.
On the, so.
Just down just a little bit, like 50 cents, and I just get out, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm so close to break even.
Oh, nice, yeah. That's great.
Yeah.
Let's see, what is Visa doing? Visa looks good.
Yeah,
Jeez.
but I didn't enter it down. That's it.
This is a hard one too. Look at the choppiness. I guess if you look at the 15 minutes, a little bit better. It's a little bit cleaner, but yeah.
So close to break even. Come on. COF might go down still. Damn it. It's going back up a little bit. It's getting quiet in here.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna lock in on GameStop, I think, because it's had so many bars getting to support area, and I just want to lock in some of those profits.
Yeah, totally.
What happened? What's that noise? Oh, MNSO stopped me out.
Oh, okay. I guess it was good then I got out.
Oh, MNSO is bouncing. TSM level 2 to the upside. Interesting.
Another one, but how many bars does it have of consolidation?
2, 4, 6. And then that.
What? TSM actually has 6 bars of consolidation?
Oh no, only 2, but 6 bars to the up. That went up.
Oh, okay, I get it. Yeah, take a look at the 15-minute time frame too. How many bars of consolidation are on the 15?
There's no consolidation. It's just
exactly.
Yeah.
So probably a good idea to wait.
Yeah.
I mean, if it works, that'd be insane. It's so far away from the 8, the 20, the VWAP, the 60, everything.
Yeah.
My guess is it needs a few more bars of consolidation, at least to get some sort of 15-minute bar, at least one 15-minute bar of consolidation or something. Because this is nuts. This is absolutely crazy.
Wow, should have captured the MNSO. That was good.
What happened? Did it go down again?
No, it's gone up. It's still
Oh,
going up.
good.
So that would have been
I guess
good.
that 2 minute worked, and you see that 20 moving average right there worked.
Mm.
So now probably what's happening is we're in a range on MNSO now. We're gonna hit the top of the range, $12.70, 90 whatever cents, and the bottom of the range, right, 12.80, 81. And there are people that are gonna wait for the range to break from one side to the next to enter. But we can be smart and we could take a short at the top of the range, especially if we get a new high failure, and then target the low of the range to get out. Or if not, if the low of the range breaks, add. And then our target is going to be down at $12.51 in the end. So this is a pretty good trade idea. I'm watching the 15 minute and I can see that, yeah, it makes sense that we'd come back up, maybe retest 12.99 and are those dojis again, and by that time, look what happens. Go to the 15-minute time frame with pre-market on.
Which one are you looking at?
MNSO.
Okay, yeah, 15 minutes.
Do you see how the 20-period moving average is up at $13.11?
You see with the pre-market on?
Yeah.
On the 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah.
So my guess is basically what happens is the stock trades in a channel, which is going to make that, it's going to force that 20-period moving average to catch up to the price.
Mm-hmm.
And when that 20-period moving average catches up to the price on the 15, you're going to have that little moment of truth where is it going to actually go higher for the rest of the day, or are we going to break down underneath and do a level 1 at the 20 off the 15 and basically trade back down to the low of day? So that's what my guess is. So I'm putting a little alert here. Alert above. So we don't have to watch it. And then alert below.
Sweet, I'm green for the day. Yay.
Oh, nice. Awesome, man. Good job.
Thank you.
Yeah, some of your trades at the end were incredible. So
much
I guess,
better, yeah. I should just watch and trade at the end.
Yeah, or if you're gonna trade in the morning, just trade small shares. Like you don't have to go. Like give yourself. Maybe look at the bubbles and give yourself the biggest bubble. What do you think about that? Like just in the morning, give yourself the widest bubble size so that way.
Yeah. Oh, I just locked everything in. Yay.